It is important at times to understand that you are not the same. You being the game-breaking entity should have difficulty with everything. Neo cannot date a girl who has not taken the red pill. It needs to be Trinity or no one. Because there's levels. Understand that you're ascending each day, and therefore it's difficult for other people to keep up or to be of the correct standard. Yes, it could be a pretty girl, but I'll tell you what, that stops being you after 2 weeks. You need to be able to talk to this girl. You need to be able to watch A Knight of the Seven Kingdoms, Game of Thrones, and have some intellectual conversation about what Tyrion was saying. Do you see? You need to have someone who understands the discipline that you need to keep in order to keep ascending. The discipline with money, the discipline with time. You can't date a child, you can't date a twit. The same thing goes with friendship. Your friends need to understand the type of discipline, the type of time, the type of sort of how to respect you, because of how it is that you must have platform to get to where you are. So sometimes like your friends won't be good enough for you. And you'll feel like you don't fit in because you don't. You're better. How would you fit in if you're better than everyone? There's no way. Superman cannot fit in. And that's all. So he makes an alter ego of Clark Kent. I can't do that. So then, I don't know, I just have the difficulties, but at the same time, understand that you were born alone and you'll die alone. So being alone is a more true state than many of the other states that you put yourself in, friendship, relationship, or otherwise. Alone is the final state, so it's definitely true.